All right, so you are welcome back. Now this is customize page, and what are we going to do here? First, I want to set an icon for this. Okay, if you look at this now, it's using the default web browser icon, and this is not really cool. So look for site identity, then you see site icon, right? So select site icon and go to your media library. Now by default you are going to see a lot of images here that are imported with your themes. So if for instance you are building a website for a Nigerian business that are going to be patronized by Nigerian, it's best you use images that Nigerians can relate with. Most of the images here are European images, so you might want to change that. Okay, now if you are not cool with any of the images that are here, you can actually upload your own. If you have your own images on your device that you are using, just go to upload files, then click on select files. Then from here, okay, I don't really have any images, so I'm going to go to a website where I can easily make a logo. So let me pause and do okay, since I don't have a logo for this purpose already, what I'm going to do is to go to a website that can easily help me create logo. So I'll be making use of my freelogomaker.com. Just visit and click on the make your logo button, type your type of business, in this case is beauty, continue, then the kind of logo, how you want it to look like. I think I'll go with this Karoma, continue, then the color, not really good with color, but let me just select purple. Let me select pink. I think pink is what almost. So the business is Fifi Beauty Dollars. Slogan not really compulsory. Sorry about that. Okay, so what logo symbols are you looking for? Beauty, skincare, makeup artist. Let me leave it like that. Then this is going to generate some logos for me. Which should I go for now? I think I will go with this. So so that you won't. So I click on the logo and then continue as guest because I don't want to sign up. Let me see if I'll be able to download without signing up. So these are the different variations of the logo. I think I like this already. You can still how would I call it now? You can still modify it with all of this, but just for the sake of time, let's try to download. And better still, you can just pay a graphic designer to create your logo for you. That will save you all this stress. With between 3,000 and above, you can always get a logo depending on your kind of business. Okay, I think I will still have to sign up again, which I've been avoiding all this while. Okay, let me pause the video to do all of that. So I've created the accounts, download. Let's see what happens next. I'm going to pause the video again. So I've created the logo, and when you create the logo, it's going to be as a zip file. So you download it, you extract the zip file, and you have your logo. So I've done that. So don't forget that what led us to creating a logo is because we wanted to update the site icon. So under this upload files, select files, and now I can easily navigate to where the logos are, which in our case I save it inside documents, and it's there. So you can see the different variation. I think this color will suit the website, or should I use white? Let me use white. And select. Okay. I think for the site icon, it's best I use another variation. As a matter of fact, let me select all of these logos and upload them once, so that subsequently I don't have to be uploading them one after the other. So let me use this. It's only this icon that I need, so I'm going to move the highlight over this. I can customize it further, make it smaller. And that does it. Now I publish. Before I publish, let me also look at the site logo, which is this point here. Don't forget what we did was just the site icon at this point, showing at this point. So we can also change this. Come to change logo, and then I will select that white, select this. Okay, I think this white is problematic, so let me select another one. I think this would be cool. Yeah, this is cool. I don't want to crop it, and that's the logo over there. So you can make it better than this. And now if you are at this point, anywhere you see this pencil icon, it shows that you can edit. So you can decide to edit each of these. You can edit this. For example, if I want to edit the phone number, I'm putting let's say my own phone number. Okay, and if you want to link it probably to your WhatsApp, you can put your WhatsApp link there, something like wa.me. I can't remember the exact format, so let me just put hash there, but you can always get your WhatsApp link from your website, so put hash there, and then that's it. So those are the things that you can edit here. Then you click on publish, and now if I should reload this website, it's looking more like our website. So I'm going to end, oh my goodness, I'm going to end this class here today. This for now. So subsequent videos we will talk more about editing.